What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. I got right here my Galaxy Z Flip 7 first impressions. Spoiler alert, there's some really great upgrades. Good job, Samsung, and huge shout out, huge thanks, Samsung, for giving me this awesome opportunity to check out these devices with an early hands-on. And I also do have my Fold 7 first impressions. Links will be in the description down below. But let's get right into the design. We are getting a new cover display, much larger. So Samsung calls this the Flex Window Outer Display, 4.1 inches. It's larger than the Flip 6's 3.4, and also has a 120 hertz refresh rate with a max peak brightness of 2,600 nits. It also does have an Armor Flex hinge design, which is now 30% slimmer, IP40 dust and water resistant, and it also comes in 3 colors: blue shadow, jet black, and coral red. And there is an exclusive color, so stay tuned. Later in the video, I will be showcasing that. And it's the thinnest Z Flip ever. And the inner display, 6.9 inches. It's almost about the same as the S25 Plus. It's much wider too, so it feels like more of a conventional smartphone. I absolutely love it. And the crease, let me tell you, it's even better than the Flip 6. And the Flip 6 was an improvement from the Flip 5. You will not tell that it's there. Yes, if you run your finger over the crease multiple times and keep thinking about it, it's going to be there. But otherwise, you are not going to notice it. But let's get into the software and the performance, because we're getting One UI 8 in Android 16. Now, we weren't kind of briefed on the processor, so I can't really give any information on that. But we are getting 256 gigs and 512 gigs of storage. And I'm sure that we're probably getting 12 gigs of RAM, just like its predecessor, the Z Flip 6, also had 12 gigs. But there was a huge emphasis on Gemini AI integration, both in the cover display as well as just the inner display too. And I kind of want to leave that for a separate video. Let me know if you guys want to see it down in the comments below. But there's really great, things here: multimodal AI with point and ask. There's now bar, now brief in the cover display, auto curated wallpapers, emojis, background colors, all that great stuff. Adaptive font resizing, and get this, Samsung DeX support. A lot of people have been asking for this, and we're finally getting Samsung DeX support here on the Flip 7. Now, when we get to the cameras, we are getting a dual camera setup, just like the Flip 6. A 50 megapixel wide optical 2x zoom, as well as a 12 megapixel ultra wide. And the front camera comes with a 10 megapixel sensor. It also does have flex cam with auto zoom, so you can adjust it with one hand. But I'm excited to try out the dual camera setup, and maybe next year Samsung might throw in a triple camera setup. We'll have to see. That's probably gonna have to decrease the screen size, but we'll see. Anyway, getting to the battery, because Samsung made some great improvements here in the battery department. A larger battery capacity at 4,300 milliamp hours, 300 more than the Flip 6. So I'm excited to see how well this performs. Flip 6 was pretty decent, so I can't wait to see how well and much more this goes. It looks like it's going to get up to 31 hours of video playback, and obviously USB-C and all that great stuff. Charging speeds I'm not aware of, but we're going to test all these out when I get my hands on it. And the pricing. A lot of people usually ask about the pricing. That's the most important factor for many people. It starts at $1099. So it's essentially the same as last year, again with 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage. But not only that, I did bring with me my Flip 6, and I want to show you guys just on screen how they look side by side. And let me tell you, I really like the cover display on the Flip 7. Like, it's, when you put them side by side, the Flip 6 looks outdated, and the Flip 7 is thinner when folded when compared to the Flip 6. Like, again, with those upgrades with the design, with the flex hinge, all that great stuff going on, yeah, it only makes sense that it's going to kind of feel slimmer. And also here is the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. If you want to see a dedicated video on this, let me know in the comments down below. But this looks very similar to the Flip 6 with some additions and some new things taken from the Flip 7, like the cameras and all that good stuff, but it doesn't have that 4.1 inch cover display. So like, put them side by side, it looks outdated, but it comes in at a price of $899. But look, this is the Mint. Galaxy Z Flip 7. This is going to be the Z Flip 7 color I will be getting to showcase here on the channel. I really like this, both for the fold and the flip. I will be getting the mint color. Samsung usually does a great job with their exclusives. I don't know, I really like what they do with the exclusive colors, but again, that's just me. It's up to you to decide which one you like. But here are also some cases, both Samsung cases as well as Spigen cases that do have integration for MagSafe. So you pop on the case and you can wirelessly MagSafe charge your Flip 7 as well as your Fold 7. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, huge shout out and huge thanks to Samsung for giving me this awesome opportunity to check out these phones. And thank you all so much for watching and for supporting the channel. It's all because of you guys that I get this awesome opportunity. I truly mean it. Thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. It's been a dream come true, and I can't wait to showcase more of these here on the channel. And just stay tuned for lots of upcoming videos on the Z Flip 7. Take care.